Magse-celebrate nga ng kaarawan si Ken Suson at syempre ang mga fans ay very supportive mula sa naging post ni Alisa Fernandez. Aniya, Hello 18! Who lives in Vancouver, Canada? Come and join us on January 17, 2026 as we celebrate Ken's 29th birthday at Soda Korea Barbecue in Vancouver, Canada. Let's go 18 Vancouver, see ya! P.S. This party is for fun gathering only and Ken will not be present in the said event. For more info regarding about the event, please don't hesitate to message BC18 FB page. Well, ganyan nga ka-special ang SB19 dahil nga sa kani-kanilang bias, pag dumarating kaarawan nito ay nagkakaroon sila ng special celebration. Kaya naman, ang kanilang fans saan mang panig ng mundo ay nagse-celebrate para sa nasabi nga pong kaarawan ng kanilang bias SB19. Katulad na lamang na ngayon ay kaarawan ni Ken's na magaganap nga sa January 17, 2026. Saturday po yan, 12 noon. Wala naman pong ibang binanggit na detalye, basta kung nais po daw pumunta ng mga taga Vancouver, ay mag-PM lang po sa BC18 Facebook page para malaman ang another info. Well, ang ilan ay sinabing sayang, hindi sila makakapunta. And yung isa naman, I wanna join, it's my birthday too. Po, cheers my bias, Ken. Hi, thanks for the invitations. Just enjoy. Ken will have celebrations left and right here in Manila too. So, yung mga fans po dito sa Manila ni Ken ay magse-celebrate din. Ako, grabe. Ken Philip ng buhay, enjoy, love you. Always scream na lang kita. Papanood, malayo, solid ka talaga. Nag-iisang amo Ken, rockstar namin, deep voice R&B. Favorite dancer, main dancer, international talent. Advance happy birthday sa iyo, Sir Ken. John Philip Suson, ka-birthday mo pa ang mother ko. But, she's in heaven now. Sayang at sabay sana kayo dalawang magse-celebrate ng birthday sa January 12. Pero I'm so happy pa rin kasi ang isang Ken Suson ang naging ka-birthday niya. We love you, Manok. Wow, bongga ang birthday Ken namin. Vancouver, Advance, HBD Ken, we love you so much. So mukhang hindi lang ito yung mangyayaring celebration dahil mayroon din sa Japan. For sure, mayroon din sa Taiwan, dito sa Pilipinas. Say parang isa, hello everyone, just want to inform you all and especially for those who are based here in Vancouver, Canada and wants to join us for Ken's birthday celebration. This party is for fun gathering only and Ken will not be present in the said event. Thank you and see ya. So, syempre, baka mamaya yung iba nagpunta doon, ina-expect na nandun si Ken. Well, ano ang masisay nyo about dito? Happy birthday, Ken! Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.